Today's video is about Hinduism across different countries. China, 20,000 Hindus, about 0.1% of the population. Japan, 30,000 Hindus, about 0.1% of the population. Turkey, 843 Hindus, about 0.1% of the population. Brazil, 5,675 to 9,500 Hindus, about 0.00 to 9% of the population. Egypt, 2,700 Hindus, about 0.003% of the population. Poland, 2,421 Hindus, about 0.008% of the population. Argentina, 4,000 Hindus, about 0.01% of the population. Israel, 500 to 1,400 Hindus, about 0.01% of the population. South Korea, 12,452 Hindus, about 0.01% of the population. Colombia, 8,876 Hindus, about 0.02% of the population. Zimbabwe, 3,000 Hindus, about 0.02% of the population. Czech Republic, 2,404 Hindus, about 0.023% of the population. Afghanistan, 10,511 Hindus, about 0.03% of the population. Hungary, 3,307 Hindus, about 0.03% of the population. Somalia, 8,278 Hindus, about 0.06% of the population. Jamaica, 1,836 Hindus, about 0.07% of the population. Vietnam, 70,000 Hindus, about 0.07% of the population. Sweden, 10,837 Hindus, about 0.078% of the population. Austria, 11,000 Hindus, about 0.1% of the population. Côte d'Ivoire, 18,013 Hindus, about 0.1% of the population. Denmark, 5,468 Hindus, about 0.1% of the population. Finland, 5,000 Hindus, about 0.1% of the population. Kenya, 60,000 Hindus, about 0.1% of the population. Russia, 1,43,000 Hindus, about 0.1% of the population. Thailand, 65,000 Hindus, about 0.1% of the population. Spain, 75,000 Hindus, about 0.11% of the population. Tanzania, 50,000 Hindus, about 0.11% of the population. Zambia, 16,068 Hindus, about 0.14% of the population. Germany, 1,30,000 Hindus, about 0.15% of the population. France, 1,21,000 Hindus, about 0.2% of the population. Italy, 1,08,950 Hindus, about 0.2% of the population. Cambodia, 41,988 Hindus, about 0.3% of the population. Ireland, 14,300 Hindus, about 0.30% of the population. Panama, 9,726 Hindus, about 0.3% of the population. Uganda, 1 lakh Hindus, about 0.3% of the population. Switzerland, 50,000 Hindus, about 0.38% of the population. Anguilla, 58 Hindus, about 0.4% of the population. Cyprus, 4,640 Hindus, about 0.4% of the population. Barbados, 1,055 Hindus, about 0.46% of the population. Myanmar, 2,52,763 Hindus, about 0.5% of the population. Norway, 23,140 Hindus, about 0.5% of the population. Saudi Arabia, 3,03,611 Hindus, about 1.1% of the population. South Africa, 5,05,000 Hindus, about 0.9% of the population. United States, 3,338,210 Hindus, about 1.0% of the population. United Kingdom, 1,020,000 Hindus, about 1.7% of the population. Indonesia, 4,679,053 Hindus, about 1.71% of the population. Pakistan, 5,217,216 Hindus, about 2.17% of the population. Canada, 8,28,200 Hindus, about 2.3% of the population. Australia, 6,84,000 Hindus, about 2.7% of the population. New Zealand, 1,44,753 Hindus, about 2.9% of the population. Oman, 1,82,679 Hindus, about 5.7% of the population. Singapore, 2,80,000 Hindus, about 5.0% of the population. Seychelles, 5,508 Hindus, about 5.4% of the population. United Arab Emirates, 4,90,000 Hindus, about 5 to 20% of the population. Malaysia, 1,949,850 Hindus, about 6.3% of the population. Bangladesh, 14,300,000 Hindus, about 8.54% of the population. Kuwait, 3,667,000 Hindus, about 12% of the population. Sri Lanka, 2,671,000 Hindus, about 12.6% of the population. Qatar, 4,22,118 Hindus, about 15.1% of the population. Suriname, 1,28,995 Hindus, about 22.3% of the population. Bhutan, 1,85,700 Hindus, about 25% of the population. Guyana, 1,90,966 Hindus, about 24.9% of the population. Fiji, 2,61,136 Hindus, about 27.9% of the population. Mauritius, 6,50,000 Hindus, about 47.9% of the population. India, 1,053,000,000 Hindus, about 79.8% of the population. Nepal, 23,677,744 Hindus, about 81.19% of the population.